Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to invest in the stock market. But first of all, you should know that stock market is a place where you have to be experienced because it may cause huge loss, but by proper learning and knowledge it can be profitable. The stock market is where you can buy and sell shares of companies and make money from their growth and performance. But before you start investing, you need to know some hacks and tips that can help you succeed. So let's get started with the best hacks and tips to step in stock market. Step number 1: know your budget. You need to know how much money you can invest and what is your goal for investing. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and don't invest based on emotions or impulses. Step number 2: pick a stockbroker. You need to pick a stockbroker who will help you open a trading account and execute your trades. Choose a stockbroker who has a good reputation, a user-friendly trading platform, and reasonable brokerage fees. Step number 3: learn the basics of the stock market. You need to learn what stocks are, how they are traded, what factors affect their prices, and what are the common terms and concepts related to the stock market. Step number 4: do your research. You need to do your research before investing in any stock. You need to study the company, the industry, and the market conditions that affect the stock price. You need to find out the intrinsic value of the stock and compare it with its market price.
Step number 5: diversify your portfolio. You need to diversify your portfolio by investing in different stocks and sectors. This will reduce your risk and increase your returns by balancing your portfolio between growth and value stocks. Step number 6: follow a trading plan. You need to follow a trading plan that includes your trading goals, style, strategy, and risk management. A trading plan will help you stay disciplined and consistent in your investing journey. Step number 7: keep learning and improving. You need to keep learning and improving by keeping yourself updated with the latest news, trends, and strategies in the stock market. You also need to keep track of your performance and learn from your mistakes.